In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign into Slack on mobile using a QR code. If you're already signed into Slack on your computer, this is one of the fastest ways to get logged in on your phone without manually typing anything. It's especially useful if your workspace has a long sign-in process or extra authentication steps. The QR code method securely connects your desktop session to your mobile app, so the process is quick and convenient. Before you begin, make sure you're already logged into Slack on your desktop app or in a browser on your computer. Also, keep in mind that the QR code is temporary and single use, so it should be treated like a secure login key. Avoid taking screenshots of it or sharing your screen while it's visible. Start on your computer by opening your active Slack desktop app or browser session. Once Slack is in view, look to the bottom of the left-hand sidebar and click on your profile picture. This opens the account menu where you'll see several options related to your Slack session. From that menu, click the option that says Sign in on mobile. A new window will appear in the center of your screen with the title Sign in on mobile device. In the middle of that window, Slack will automatically generate a QR code for you. Leave this window open exactly as it is because your phone will need to scan that code to complete the connection. Don't minimize it or switch away from it until the sign in is finished. Now pick up your phone and make sure it's connected to the internet, either through Wi-Fi or mobile data. Open the Slack app on your device. On the welcome screen, tap Sign In. After that, choose the option labeled Sign In with QR code. This tells the mobile app that you want to use your desktop session instead of entering your login details manually. If Slack asks for permission to use your camera, allow it. That's necessary so the app can scan the code from your computer screen. Point your phone's camera at the QR code and line it up clearly in the frame. Hold your phone steady for a second or two while the app reads the code. Once the scan is successful,